This breathing technique enhances the benefits of any pranayama. Namaste, I'm Archana. A warm welcome to today's class where we will see what is the full yogic breath, how to do it, what are its benefits, and are there any situations where we need to avoid it or do it with caution. So what is full yogic breath? Full yogic breath is also known as the complete yogic breath or Dirga Pranayama, and it involves deep mindful breathing that fully engages the lungs. This practice can be done either sitting on the mat or on the chair. Remember to keep your back straight, or it can also be done on the bed where you're lying down or on the mat. Just remember to be comfortable in that position. So get into your most comfortable position. Close your eyes. Simply breathe in. Breathe out. Raise your shoulders towards your ears. Slowly roll it back. Drop it down. Again, inhale. Completely exhale. So to begin with the first part, that is the abdominal breathing or the diaphragmatic breathing or adhama, we're going to place our hands on our belly. As you breathe in, try and push your belly into your palms like a balloon. Your belly moves forward or blows up like a balloon. And as you breathe out, gently pull your navel back towards your spine. Let's try that again. One more. Inhale and exhale. So here what exactly happens is, it's not like the air is moving into your abdominal region, but when you involve the abdominal muscles, your diaphragm also is involved, and that way you are making space so that the lower lobes of the lungs are well ventilated. So we'll do this together, 3 rounds. Inhale, push the belly into your palms. Exhale, pull your navel back towards your spine. 2 more rounds. Try and see as you breathe out, it's a little longer than your inhalation. Last one. Inhale and exhale. Now coming to the next part, that is your thoracic breathing or madhyama. Here we're going to place our right hand on the sides of our rib cage. That's the left side of your rib cage. Now breathe in. Push your ribs into your palms. Breathe out. Here you're expanding your thoracic cage from the sides and the front. So placing your hands kind of gives you a feedback. Two more rounds here. Remember to keep your back straight. Last one. Drop your hands. Now take your left hand, place it on the outside of your right side of your rib cage. Inhale and exhale. So you're involving the muscles between your ribs too. So it's also called as the intercostal breathing. So when you do this practice, it involves the middle lobe of the lung and some part of the upper lobes. Now moving to the next one, that is the clavicular breathing or adhama. You can place your fingertips just over your collarbones. You can do it both sides, or to begin, one side. Inhale. You're not pressing, you're just resting it here. Try to raise your chest further up, shoulders raised slightly, that's fine. Initially, these exaggerated movements are completely okay. 2. And 1. This you can do using one hand or both, depending on how comfortable you are. Now place your right fingertips just over your clavicular bone. and 3. Drop your hands down. Now we're going to do all the 3 parts together. Then it becomes the full yogic breath. Sit tall, keeping your back straight, palms resting on your thighs or knees, palms face the ceiling, close your eyes. As you breathe in, gently push your belly forward for 1/3 of the breath, then your chest expands, shoulders raise up. Don't worry if it looks exaggerated initially. Breathe out. Navel collapses, chest collapses, shoulders collapse. One more round, push the belly, chest, shoulders. Exhale. Belly collapses, chest collapses, shoulders relax. You may slightly arch your back and that's completely fine. Just see that you're not completely slouching now. Inhale. So we're trying to involve all the lobes of the lungs. Last one. Breath in. Belly, chest, shoulders. Exhale. First the belly collapses. Collapse your chest. Collapse your shoulders. Breath in. And exhale. One more deep breath in through your nose. Exhale through your nose. If your eyes are closed, slowly open with a few blinks. Now, once you learn to do this, automatically the lung capacity increases. So any other practice, any other pranayama practice that you do, or even doing your asana practice, you're getting the most out of it because you're involving your lung to its full capacity. So we're now coming to what are the benefits of doing this practice. Like I mentioned earlier, it increases the vital capacity, or your lungs work to its full capacity. So automatically you're drawing in more oxygen. And when you exhale also, when you're doing it mindfully, you're throwing out more carbon dioxide. So more oxygen, your blood carries it to all the different parts of your body. So it keeps you energized. Your organs function better. More oxygen to your brain, better focus, better concentration. And the other key benefit of doing this is it stimulates the parasympathetic nervous system, which is responsible for rest, digest, and repair. So we sleep better, heal better, as well as digest our food, assimilate our food, and also it helps balance the hormones in our body. So I'll also leave a more detailed explanation of the benefits of this practice in the description. Now coming to who should not do this practice. More than avoiding this, it's important to do it with caution, especially if you are recently had a surgery, you are pregnant, or you have some heart disease, then don't start learning this. Once you're better, then you can learn this practice and then it can be a part of your breathing. This practice is great for beginners. So I feel everybody should learn this one before you do your pranayama practice, because you're going to get the most out of your pranayama practice once you know the correct way to breathe. Thank you so much for being here, for spending this time with me. I would love to hear your feedback in the comments below. If you want to know about anything else yoga related to breathing, asana or meditation, write to me in the comments below. If you're new here, remember to subscribe to my channel. And if you think this was valuable to you, please like and share. Namaste.